Yes.
सर रोहित इज नॉट हेयर बिकॉज तबीयत खराब थी सर उसकी, तो वो कह रहा था नहीं हो पाया उससे।
Okay, so remaining members will do.
ओके सर। So, sir, my team members are Sambhav, Chaitanya, Prakhar, Aditya.
Sambhav,
Aditya,
you said Chaitanya, है ना?
uh,
Chaitanya, Aditya,
and Prakhar.
Prakhar, and Shivam.
Yes,
आदित्य आगे.
yes, sir. आगे.
Aditya who?
Aditya Joshi.
Aditya Joshi. Okay. Others I know. Fine. Yes, better. Now you can start.
Umshi Sairam, we are going to present our debate on the topic data is the new oil. So, as we know that how data is important in every project or any business activity, because without data we cannot proceed ahead in our business or any other topic on our team is working. So, I would like to call Sambhav Jain to present his side on this topic.
Thank you, Shivam. So first of all, we have to know what is fuel. Fuel is the material which is used to produce heat or power. Here we are not talking about fuel uh, as uh, as petroleum, but we are talking about fuel as data, that is internet, which act as a fuel to run a country. Uh, Internet data help in sharing information, communication, e-commerce, banking, etc. As we know, in a worst situation of corona disease which we are facing nowadays, the only thing that help us is internet. Without internet, we can't do anything. School, hospital, taking care of business, all can run with the help of internet. As we all know, fuels are of many types, but which work effectively that can be placed on the top. So at last I want to say that internet data is an effective fuel that should be placed on the top of the list.
Very well said, Sambhav. Now I would like to call Aditya Joshi to present his side.
Nowadays of internet, no one is nowadays of internet, no one have a free time to spend with their family or friends. They all are busy in their mobiles and tablet, laptop. So how do we can say that internet is a new oil? Yes.
Thank you, Aditya. Now I would like to call Chaitanya Sau to present his opinion on this topic.
I want to say that in 2006, Clive Humby said that data is the new oil, and he was a British entrepreneur and a mathematician. And let us take an example. In the early 19th century, the cabs used to be pulled by horses. The cab drivers had to look after them, feed them, give them water, rest, and shelter. But nowadays, customers are very get benefit and can get online booked.
Thank you, Chaitanya. Now I would like to call Prakar Maheshwari to present his view on this topic.
As we know, as internet is an open space, it is very difficult to protect the data on internet. In some cases, the data may be copied and used for personal gain.
So it seems that Aditya and Prakar are against this motion, and Chaitanya and Sambhav are for this motion. So you can now debate on this topic and present your opinions.
As internet is an open space and it is some chances of receiving junk emails and other viruses or hacking.
So, Sambhav and Chaitanya, who would like to answer Prakar's opinion?
I would like to answer this because there are many personal servers, those who protect their data at various places, and there are many pen drives where we can save.
Aditya and Prakhar, who would like to answer Chaitanya's opinion?
I would like to answer this. That the data is preserved in pen drive or card reader, it will be corrupted or data will be erased in this because of some errors or virus.
But there are many anti-hacking apps and many anti-hackers, those who protect them.
Prakhar, would you like to say something?
By the help of internet, we improve our business or send the data in the to the internet, which can be saved throughout the life.
Um, because of e-business, small business is on the verge of closure due to online business through internet. And there are some risk of e-business. Example, default on delivery. Suppose when the seller denies the receipt of order or the buyer denies the placement of order.
But there are but there are profits also of internet, that nowadays we are using online classes or shopping on Amazon, Flipkart, etc.
And sometimes there is some little chances of the some default on payments. Suppose when the seller does not get the payment, where is the uh, buyer claims and made the payment.
I think that online class is the best benefit and next step, so that the the customers are benefited and they get home delivery, and there is no issue about the product, and products are quality is very good.
But we were
And
not
the
but we will not see the original product in the online way. And in online e-businesses there is a many hackers or many hackers that had hacked our data or banking information, and they get our they get our money or
But by the help of
uh,
online shopping, we get many offers that a simple that a normal business cannot do for the normal customer.
Sir, time up.
Okay. Shivam,
Yes, sir.
do you want to extend it further or is it enough?
Sir, enough for me.
Conclude it.
So, as you all heard that both of the team present their views on this topic. Thank you and Sairam.
Okay. I would like to have first opinion of Shivam himself.
Sir, I think that on this
How
topic
was
that
the, how was the discussion?
so what?
How was this discussion?
So not that good.
What makes you say that it was not that good?
No, sir, that our topic was data and it was little bit shift to internet.
See, this topic was suggested by your group only. And if you remember, when I was reading the list of topics, I specifically pointed out this particular topic. Do you remember? I specifically talked about this topic because I knew it won't be very easy for any group to discuss, rather debate on this. You can deliver a speech, you can write an essay, but it will be little hard for you or your group to discuss on this. And that's why I pointed it out and I once again asked, and some of the members of your group, they said yes. Then I thought, fine, you must have done some research on it. You must have got some information and you must be prepared. So when I was selecting topics from the 3 suggested by each group, I selected particularly this topic for your group. I wanted to see what you do and how do you discuss. What does Neha has to say? Are you satisfied with this discussion?
No, sir. I think like the topic was good, but they have not done enough research on it. They were like speaking about the same things again and again in a different way, and it doesn't make sense to speak the same thing. And they can actually speak a lot in this topic, and most of them were like confused. They don't want to speak. Like they were not speaking unless and until Shivam was asking them to speak.
Lacked,
Hmm.
right?
Yes,
If
sir.
you already had the topic, Shivam, and you knew today you are going to discuss on it, so some homework was expected. You all are grown up. You all are students of 11th class. So there must have been some homework done. Okay. So this was lacking. As far as content relevance is concerned, just now Neha has made a point. Shivam, you yourself agree with this. The content relevance part will not give you good marks. In that parameter, you're definitely going to lose marks. Now other things, pronunciation and expression and fluency, वो तो सबका अपना अपना individual है. That's fine. वो हम जो भी है देख लेंगे. I won't ask anything to Rumisha because she is not in school uniform. Chalo, which is the next group?
Sir,
Sir, mine.
sir,
Varsha Vastri's group.
sir,
चलो
sir.
भाई. Yes.
सर जब ये बोल रहे होंगे तो 7 मिनट में जब हो जाएगा तब हम एक नोट इधर से सेंड कर देंगे, उनको अपने आप समझ आ जाएगा कि 7 मिनट हो चुके हैं. अभी भी हमने वही किया था.
Yes, yes. I saw. Now, I would like to add 1 or 2 new members in jury. Out of those who have participated in previous debates, along with Neha. And Rumisha is there, but with her camera closed.
Sir, my camera is open.
No, keep it closed.
On.
I
Sir,
asked.
just a second, I'm changing my dress.
No problem. Let it be. But because it is all being recorded, beta, so it looks good if all my children are in school uniform. It looks very good. No problem. You keep your camera off and you talk to me. Other member will be Shivam. And there was one more girl whose performance was good in the previous debate. Who was that? That new girl.
Devanshi Mishra.
Yes. Devanshi Mishra. Is she here?
Yes, sir.
Where is she? I can't see. Turn your camera on, beta. Devanshi? Yes. So now with Neha, Rumisha,
Sir,
Devanshi
my
and
camera is
Shivam are here. Okay? In the jury. ठीक है? चलो, I'll ask your views about all these participants when the debate gets over, when the discussion gets over. चलो वर्षा, take the screen now.
Yes, sir. So in my group, Muskan, Kajal,
मुस्कान,
Kajal,
काजल, आगे बोलो बेटा, ये नई स्टूडेंट है, सरनेम भी बता दो.
Kajal Singer,
काजल सेनगर, ओके.
Vaishnavi Gurjar,
हाँ, बाकी बच्चों का मुझे पता है, पुराने बच्चों का. वैष्णव
Khushi Gupta,
गुप्ता, यस.
sir,
वर्षा. Okay, start better.
Sir, is my voice audible?
Yes, yes.
Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to Varsha's Tic-Tac-Toe debate discussion. Have you ever played this game, Tic-Tac-Toe? So, our today's judge is Mr. Chandrapal sir. Sir, have you ever played this game? Okay, sir. So, in this game, there are two teams. For example, X and 0. And at last, one will win. Like that only, our today's debate have two teams, affirmative and negative. Did you finish your homework, Amanda? Did you clean your shoes, Amanda? School bus is waiting, Amanda. Do you remember something? Yes, of course, our school days. Nowadays, we all are habitual about homeschooling. You all have heard about Harish Natrayan, a human debater who beat a robot. So, our today's topic is, should homeschooling be encouraged in India or not? So, are you all ready? So, in our today's debate, there are total 4 contestants. 2 will going to speak in affirmative and 2 will going to speak in negative. Muskan and Kajal will going to speak in affirmative. Vaishnavi and Khushi will going to speak in negative. So, started by Muskan, followed by Vaishnavi, and then other members. The cycle goes around.
As we all know that nowadays schooling has become coercive, students stop learning, they have too much of pressure and stress which may affect their mental health. And nowadays schooling in India, students have to spend almost 6 to 7 hours in school, which is a very long time. They do not have that much time to pursue their hobbies. But if they are at home, they have too much of time so that they can fully focus on their talent and they achieve their goal early as compared to school.
Homeschooled children may find it difficult to get accustomed to regular 9 to 5 jobs. It may also hinder their social skills if they do not get the opportunity of social more often. On the other hand, children who attend school may have more opportunity of social interaction as compared to homeschooled children. Yeah, there are homeschool co-ops that can be helpful, but a public school has built-in social benefit as it improves many skills such as survival skills, problem-solving skills, conflict resolution skills, and interpersonal skills.
Every child is different. Homeschooling allows to design the curriculum based on the student capabilities and interests, and the need for rote learning will be eliminated. Children will completely understand the subject they are learning.
If the person who is guiding us is not efficient to guide us, then the future of children is in danger because does not have parents does not have many knowledge and guiding skill as much as a skilled teacher have.
Yes, I agree that parents do not have that much of knowledge, but they are because of internet revolution, there are so many options were available. Because of internet, we can search so many YouTube videos available in because of internet, and we take help from them and they explain us each and everything. And there are so many all live classes, we can ask doubt to them and they explain each and everything to us. And for example, our teacher were doing so many things for us, they making efforts for us so that we can understand each and everything in clear way. And they are sending us YouTube video, and if someone forgot something and they do not write something, so they can see the YouTube video and they understand the things again. And in school a single teacher were teaching, and we cannot stop them, or we can not back them, we cannot stop them. We should study the rules was too strict, we fully focused on them. But through YouTube they explain, we can understand the things again and we can back the video. There are so many options are available as compared to school.
But homeschoolers may not be as disciplined as school-going children. Also, public school gives them a certain degree of independence, which is very important for them. Depending on their grade, they have to keep track of their own class schedule and find their way from one class to another. And yeah, I accept, Muskan, that there are many different ways of learning at home, but I don't think that it is as effective as learning from a teacher because they have more experience. They can clear the doubts of your children. They can give them some extra knowledge and can guide them. And I don't think that children could be fully able to depend on these websites and YouTube channels. The involvement of their parent is very important, but I don't think that. But teaching a child is very different from parenting a child, and many parents struggle to do both.
In the parents' education and the education system of India, the children do not have much time to pursue their own interest and hobbies. Creative and innovative thinking will be enhanced. There are many benefits of homeschooling, like the parents have control over what their children learn. Homeschooling help in making good relationships and bond with children. Help in making parents aware of their children's hidden talent. Helps make your kids believe that education can be exciting and fun.
In schools, there are many things to learn like dance, singing, drawing, computer, etc. In school, there is a fixed schedule which students follow strictly. But in homeschooling, students have a fixed schedule, but they do not follow it strictly.
Yes, I agree that the students do not follow the rules in home. But what about those students who cannot take admission in school? Many institutions were not giving admission to them, and they will fully depend on their talent only. If they fully depend on their talent only, and if they do not, if they fully depend on their talent, and what should they do? They do not take admission. So what should they do? They do achieve something in their life because of their talent only.
Children who are homeschooled may lack certain social traits such as working in teams and building relationships with others. And as in the beginning, Muskan said that there is a lot of pressure on children. But nowadays, almost every school offers sports and other elective options like art, dance, and music, which freshen up the mind of children. And at the same time, they also conduct different programs and competitions. And they not only teach students subjective topics, but moral values too, which will help them lifetime.
Is it over, Varsha?
No, sir, 1 minute.
Sir, time is over.
Sir, time is over.
Okay. If you still have some more points to make, go ahead. Otherwise, conclude the debate.
Am I imagine a room where is only one teacher is teaching and another room you are the only one who is studying. So this is our today's situation, that is homeschooling. Imagine another situation in which a teacher, you are sitting near a friend near a window and teacher is also teaching in the same room, and suddenly your head is stuck by a chalk piece. Then you know what's going to happen. So this is the situation of a school. So let's see what the debater made to a conclusion or not.
As per my points of view, I thought that sending your child to school is effective for them, and at the same time, it also frees you up from just being a parent. Doing double duty as both parent and teacher can be frustrating at times. And a public school gives you and your child a much needed time apart, which will also help to foster your child's independence. And at last I thought that the way of learning of a child is the only decision of their parent. And if some parents want homeschooling should be encouraged, then India should take some major steps about it.
And I think that
if homeschool I think that homeschooling should be started with some rules and regulation, and students should be strictly follow it.
As my point of view, parents should have the right to decide the way of learning for their children. At present, many institutes are not giving admission to the children who are homeschooled. There is a to there is a need to formulate policy and guidelines on homeschooling in India. The standard policy will help many homeschoolers and the children with special needs.
I think that homeschooling can be started. It depends on only students' ability. If they want to study something or achieve something in their life, then they will do that things in any way. They have so many ways they can do things with their own way. If they want to achieve something in their life, they can achieve.
Yes, we come to a conclusion that homeschooling can also be started with all the formulate policies and guidelines, and it's up to child choice and parents' choice. So, thank you all for giving time and listening to us. So, in the next tic-tac-toe discussion, I want you all for giving your suggestion about what you think, should homeschooling be started or not. So, bye guys. Let you see in the next show.
I'll start with Romisha because now she is in uniform.
Sir, according to me, discussion was going very well, and everybody had done a quite good research on their topic. And for me, the overall discussion was very nice.
Okay, if I ask you to rank them, who stands first out of these five?
Sir Vaishnavi.
Okay. Now let me move to Devanshi. Beta, content relevance is the parameter on which you are supposed to speak. Considering all five members.
According to me, yes, sir. The content was relevant, but they were like they have learned all those things, and they were not adding their additional points in them. Those when the debate was going on,
They spoke only
just
what they
learned
had.
each and
They
everything.
had on the paper.
Yes, sir.
Okay. And how do we observe all this? You know, beta, the group members I'm talking to you. Sometimes when Muskan is speaking, and Muskan was speaking so fluently, so nicely, but all of a sudden she found something forgotten, and she keeps on repeating that statement to recall what was there. Sometimes it happens, beta. You're prepared, you have learned something by heart, no problem. But when you are presenting this, and if you forget a little part of what you have prepared, instead of expressing that you have forgotten to the audience, you just skip that thing and move ahead. This you could have done. Otherwise, you were speaking very nicely. Okay? Presentation was good. It's fine. Content was also good and it was relevant. The thing is, that when you speak, like Vaishnavi was speaking, it was all good, flawless. Agreed, Neha?
Yes, sir.
When Vaishnavi was speaking?
Yes, sir.
Acha, Shivam,
Yes, sir.
do you think we can say that there was any lack of preparation?
No, sir. Preparation was good.
It was good. Okay, so if I ask you to rank them overall, who do you rank first? I'm asking all four jury members to write the initials of the member of this team, whoever you rank first, in the chat section. Including Varsha, because she was handling her job nicely. Fine. Okay. Do we have some time to go with the third group? Let us start. Which is the third group?
Sir, we.
Yes. Quickly start with it. Now I add Varsha to this group, this jury.
Yes,
Varsha,
sir.
you are also there.
Okay, sir.
Hurry up, beta.
Yes, sir. Sir, am I visible?
Yes.
Okay. So, sir, we are Faiza. Faiza in a group. Faiza, Samriddhi, Bhumi, and Kanishka.
Samriddhi, Bhumi, Kanishka.
Yes, sir.
And Vedanshi. Chalo.
So, can we start?
Yes.
Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. A very warm welcome to one and all present over here. Today, we are going to have a debate on the very interesting topic that is news channels have positive impact on our society. News channels, the most important and old communication means of our daily life. We get to know what is happening around us, but is it all? But the news we get all are real, and the fake one news, how will they impact on our society? The language they use will definitely, it is an attractive language and also meaningful, but is it good for the students and the old women that are listening to that news? So by moving forward, I would like to invite my friend. I would like to invite my friend Faiza to have her views on these topics. You have 30 seconds, Faiza.
Thank you so much, Vedanshi, for giving me the chance to speak. As
Keep
we
your
know that
camera
our
on when you speak, Faiza.
yes, sir.
Keep your camera on.
As we all know that our topic is about the news channels positive impact, and I am against this motion that news channels have a positive impact on that, and for that I have a very specific reasons that I believe that news channels exaggerate each and every and project them as breaking news. They do it just for the TRP, and they only present the sensational news just for the TRPs, and they concentrate mainly on the news such as tragic incidents, crime, etc. They didn't care about what the message they are giving to the public and what's the impact they are giving, because they are very important for our society, but they didn't care about the impact they are leaving on the mind of the people.
Thank you, Faiza. Now I would like to call my friend Samriddhi to present her views on the topic. Please, Samriddhi.
As we all know that media is the fourth pillar of our democracy, it is a very important part of a society to let the viewers have their own opinion. But I think that nowadays news channel has more of their own biased opinion, which doesn't let the viewers decide their own. And nowadays the news channels focus more on the negative news that is happening all around us, and I think it affects all of us, the people's mental well-being as well, because all we see on TV is crimes and negative things, and I feel like they should focus more on the achievements rather than the crimes that are happening.
Thank you, Samriddhi. Now I would like to call my friend Bhumi to present her views on the topic. Bhumi?
Thank you, Vedanshi. As we know, news channel is an important way through which we get connected to the world and get updated by what is happening around us. And there are some news channels who have positive impact in society. They present what is the truth, and they dig in deep in every matter. They investigate through every matter and present it towards the audience. And I think they have positive impacts as they present news from different perspectives.
Thank you, Bhumi. Now I would like to call Kanishka to present her views. Kanishka?
According to me, it does have positive impact on our society. It let us stay updated to the happenings around the world, and news channels, we all watch news channels, right? So that we could stay updated through the news, and news channels, they make routine news more interesting, and which gains people interest and let us stay updated. Also, it helps in gaining knowledge.
So, listening to all my friends' views, now we get to know that according to the Bhumi and Kanishka, news channels have positive impact as they updated us. And according to the Faiza and Samriddhi, news channels have negative impact on our society as they cast their news only for their TRP. So, a very green line said by John Green is great news for someone. It's always bad news for someone else. Will this thought be there in the news channels or the reporters that they are casting their news? Definitely, we get this answer in our debate. So, moving forward to our debate, I want to invite my friend.
Wait. It is already quite late, and if I let you go on with the second round of your debate, which is yet remaining, perhaps it will take another 5-7 minutes, right? Can you wind it up in 2-3 minutes?
Sir, no, sir. Sir, it take time.
If it cannot be wound up in 2-3 minutes, then leave it here. We'll start from this point in the next class.
Yes, sir.
Half of that is done. Remaining half can be done in the next class, because you must be having one more class after this.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so instead of extending it further, let us stop it here. And I'll ask for the juries remarks after this debate gets over. This complete discussion gets over in the next class. Okay. And what I expect from everybody is that you will keep your cameras on when you speak, because what we need to observe is everything. Okay, how you speak and all. Second thing, all participants should be in school uniform. It's fine for new students, they might not be having, but for remaining students, it is really compulsory to appear in school uniform. Okay? I saw there were few who are not in uniform, so please take care of this thing next time. Sairam by that time. And if you wish to say, you're most welcome.
Sairam sir.
Thank you, sir.
Sairam sir.
Thank you, sir.